Okay, well let's hear it for him one more time, you guys.
That's it.
All right, before I get into this next one.
What an irony. Say you're working late, that didn't stop you before from reaching out to me and showing me your love. I'll take you at your word, or lack thereof, or lack thereof. Show me your true colors, early went from bright lights to worries. Now I know I'm better off alone. I'm so excited to be here. My name is Tissa Rahim. I'm the Persian powerhouse, and I'm joined here today by Tissa Rahim, amazing artist. So today is an extra special show for us because we actually have a mix of English songs and Persian songs.
Downtown Vancouver!
Don't just walk away, you're on the right track. You're just a step away. Hey, hey, just walk on through. Don't turn back, walk on, just walk away. You're on the right track. You're just a step away. Hey, hey, just walk on through. You better walk, you gotta walk on through. You better walk on.
That's what I thought. This is the Granville Promenade. We are here to have a good time. My name is Ian from the organization is Locust Lounge. We are your concierge service, your tour guide, your plug into Vancouver's live music scene. It's my very great pleasure to be programming music here and on the other side of the stage with some of my absolute favorite local artists. We are doing this to raise spirits, to raise the bar, and to raise awareness about the proposed project to bring a new live music venue to the Granville Strip. Does that sound good to you? You guys want more of this down here? If you do, can I get a hell yeah? That's what I thought. Well, after this, you don't have to go now. You can chill. You're good where you are. If you want to come closer, you can, but you don't have to. After this, I want you to go visit my man Dan at the booth with the balloons that are hanging on for dear life there. Dan's got all the info about what this new venue is going to be, where it's going to go, and how you can help get it built. In the meantime, it is my great privilege, my great pleasure, and my great honor to introduce you to the one, the only, Krystal dos Santos.
Thank you. Hey, yeah, what's your name? What's going on? And I try. Oh my God, I try every night in this institution, and I pray. Oh my God, don't pray every single day for revolution. I know I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it on. What's in my head? I am feeling a little peculiar. The artists are you see today, and yet there's more to come. It's so wonderful. Isn't this a great atmosphere? This is the Vancouver. Now here you go again. You say you want your freedom. Well, who am I to keep it down? It's only right that you should play the way you feel it. Listen carefully to the sound of your loneliness, like a heartbeat drives a man in the stillness of remembering what you had and what you lost and what you had and what you lost.
you take my heart and you set it for peace. Oh, you make my heart set it for peace. And I thought you were mine, turns out there was a lie. And I knew we were through and our last was at the time. Oh, la 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 la. That's a dream, baby. La 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 la. Let me believe in you, make my heart die and find. I want to cry, but I didn't have to try. And I thought you were mine, turns out there was a lie. And I knew we were through and I looked at the time. All right. I'm gonna bring the energy down just it's static, but it's not too much. And I'm gonna sing you a song that I wrote in the beginning of the year, which is also gonna be on my debut album coming in early fall, which I'm very, very excited about. This one is called Close. Don't know when I could go in the corner. Oh, show you all I've got without moving my head. I wanna know when the sky turns to cold. Will I dare have to know? Oh, has come. Maybe I just wanna run. So many people.
That was just for Dinsky Mask on the bass.
Smoking in the sunshine, we never made a big time. It's alright.